What's up guys, today I will be showing you how to add music in your Roblox game. But before we get into the video, make sure you go over to my channel and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video. Okay, so first what you want to do is go over to Starter GUI, and in Starter GUI, enter a local script. Now, this is a very short script, but if you don't feel like doing it, I will have the script in the description. So we're going to do game.Workspace.Sound, and there are two dots. Play is in our brackets. Just like that. Easy. Now we can just close this script and go over to Workspace and enter a sound. Now in this sound, we are going to have a sound ID. So what you want to do is go to audio, and we're just going to choose an audio. Like funny audios. Like, I'm just going to pick a random one. Yeah, so like this. And what you want to do is go over up to the ID and copy the ID. Now we are going to paste it in the sound ID. Just like that, and you can do a little preview to know that your game is playing. If you want your music to replay, we're going to check loop. Now if we test our game, as you can hear, our sound is playing. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed this video. This was a short little video, and yeah, see you in the next video.